We have got a new car. Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. We woke up really late because yesterday was 4th of July and
we were awake
until 2
like after a very long time.
Yeah, we were awake for so long, and so we woke up late and we just fed Marvel and everything. I know it's been a while since we did the vlog. Let's see what we plucked yesterday in the evening. Look at all the tomatoes, and you have no idea how many tomatoes we have already deep freezed. But I do want to show you the Russian Orlov, our first Russian Orlov that we got.
Huge.
Look at this guy. You can compare it with my palm, the way I'm holding it. Yep, that is how huge these tomatoes are. Those are all the tomatoes that we are currently using. Look at all these steak tomatoes. So these are the tomatoes we are using. These are the tomatoes we are using for cherry ones. And then those are the ones we plucked. And we have two big batches of these already deep freezed. So there's that. For now, Tanya is making bagels because we already know what we want to eat for lunch. And yesterday Ashley was here, so she made gulab jamun and we kept it all. So they must be craving at their place for some gulab jamun.
And we ate
Those
CPK
are the
pizza.
gulab jamun. And we had CPK pizza yesterday, California pizza, which was a huge disappointment, true, because I think it was so far by the time it came, and also they combined the deliveries, so by the time it came it was like super bad, super bad, and even the flavors didn't feel very right yesterday for some reason. So I don't know, I tried to leave them a review but I don't think they care. So Uber Eats, get your shit together. So anyways, today we had a lot planned for you guys. If you do not know, we have a gender reveal coming in less than 7 days now.
Yes.
Babe, can you imagine 7 days we'll know the gender. So we are...
We can finalize the name of the baby.
Yes, we can finally finalize the name of the baby. So we are super duper excited. We already started prepping for it, and I am off this whole week, just taking a break. Look at all the preparations and things that we have already purchased. So Ashley was here yesterday for a few hours, so we kind of planned everything, the food, the appetizers, the she is doing a lot of cool stuff. I don't want to just reveal it all here, so you have to wait for 7 more days until next Monday. Next Monday we are doing the gender reveal. And it's gonna be live on Instagram as well, so if you're not following us on Instagram, please, here's the link. Make sure you do follow us on Instagram. And then in order to do the gender reveal, we are also have to go and figure finalize the food, caterers and all of that stuff. So that's why I'm off this week, but today we are taking care of the house. Huh?
And we are also off because we have to paint the room.
Yes, so things that we are gonna do. Today's goal is to actually be able to do the housework, all the housework. So that's goal number 1 for today. I'm gonna mow the lawn in the back. I'm gonna do the medicine spray. I'm gonna fertilize and do everything. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And then we have to paint the nursery, we have to meet the vendors, and we have to finalize everything. So, acha. Guys, so we are done eating, and sorry, last time I abruptly stopped because mom was calling and she was asking few things about designs and stuff for their home back in India. So Tanya is gonna make lunch and I am gonna go clean the car. I know this will be the first vlog where you guys are gonna see the car, right? They haven't seen the car. No, we haven't vlogged.
Oh, no, we haven't.
So if you do not know, we have got a new car.
Yeah.
So we have got the new car and we took the car for the puja and stuff. And so I'll put little clips here for everything. We recently got it like 2-3 days back, or maybe a week, but yes, we recently got it just a week back, and it's a full-size 8-seater Honda Pilot Special Edition 2021. So I'm gonna go and just quickly vacuum the car and I'm gonna show you what the car looks like. So how do I clean my car? So I'm only gonna do the interiors because we recently got it and it's already all glossy and shiny from outside, and I'll tell you more about the coat and everything. But by the way, I'm gonna use our very favorite Tineco vacuum cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner. So we have this to clean the house and everything. We recently got it from in the Amazon Prime Day deal, and this is what I'm gonna use to clean the car. So let's see how it works. Alright party people, so I really love this vacuum cleaner because it has all the right attachments. We recently got it, we are having so much fun. So I'm gonna use this small attachment to do the floors and the backs and the seats, and then I have this attachment to go to the corner, and then we have this attachment. It actually just slides in the front like this, and it clicks, and then you can like brush things out while it actually sucks everything inside. So, and then you can slide it back. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and let me show you the car. Alright, here it is. This is how it looks. It's a special edition Honda Pilot 2021. We love the lights and the LED. It does come with the fog light. Just telling you a few things that we liked about the car when we purchased it. So if you guys are looking for one, you guys can decide for yourself. Totally fall in love with the wheels. That's something I guess most guys will agree with. 20-inch alloy wheels, all black edition. So totally love that. White LED lights. It has a little clicker here as well to lock all doors. The interiors look super sleek to me, at least. It has memory seating so that whoever is driving can set it to their things and it remembers. And then this is how the center console looks like. Typical automatic braking system, but it does have an all-wheel drive, so it has the terrain that you can select to turn on the snow mode or driving in any rough terrain like sand and stuff. Large enough LED over here, and all your cruise controls and your phone controls are over here. You have the vocal settings here, so it's like touchless communication. And this is what it looks like to the back. The second row seating has good enough space. The front row seating comes with like a pilot seat. The center console is super cool. It has like, you can open it and then it's super deep and stuff, and then it has a sliding tray where you can keep some of the things that you want to access more quickly, and then it goes all the way back, so your center console space is all intact. And it has a wireless charging pad over here so that you can just keep your phone there and it will charge. So that's super cool. The second row seating does come with the air conditioning, the charging plugs and everything. It does come with the handrest when only 2 people are sitting, cup holders, nice space. Part of this is leather and part of this is plastic, hard plastic. And then the third row seating is good enough for kids, but of course 2 adults can fit in. Of course you better not be like 6 feet tall to sit back there, but it's like very common. And then it does have its own AC, lights, and then the cup holders and space. So pretty typical. It does have a touchless addition, so you just swipe in your leg and then it will open up the trunk by itself, so you don't have to it's like a touchless trunk thing. We have our tray over here for the trunk thing, and it's like very well thought out. This thing is basically you can keep milk and things like that that can tumble, and there's a small tray over here as well. This is the hard top. You can reverse it, and it also opens up and fits over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Basically, I'm gonna take this out because we have to get some stuff today, and then take the umbrella out, and then we are gonna take this top and then set it over here. Alright, like I said, it becomes labeled with your seating, and then it creates the additional space at the bottom. So some of the stuff, such as my umbrella, can actually just go in there, and then that's shut down, and then I can fold these seats just like that, so it becomes the whole one thing. So let's start cleaning. So those were just a few things I wanted to share you guys around. If you have more questions, if you're looking for a car, and if you have more questions, just ask us in the comments. I'm gonna clean the car real quick and set it up. Guys, two more things that I really liked, and I forgot to tell you guys that it comes pre-equipped with this sunshades in the back seats, and then it has a one-touch glider, so the whole thing folds for people to access the third row. It's not like you have to do anything manually. And the backrest is also adjustable. You can incline it, so it's really cool and comfortable for people sitting here, and they can just slide and adjust for if anybody is sitting back there. So decent trunk space for day-to-day life, but of course you can have it folded, and then you get a pretty decent space as well. And then you can also fold the third row to have a huge space. This thing is pretty well equipped for kids seats and stuff, so that's a plus for us. It has all of these little hooks and stuff for the net, and it does have coat hangers over there, right over there. And what else? Yep, and it does have airbags for the third row seating as well, so it's fully equipped with the airbags. Alright, it's super hot. I'm done cleaning the car, and I'm just gonna put the stuff back in, because when we got this, all of our stuff was lying in the box from the old car, so we haven't arranged quite yet. So I'm just gonna do that. Alright guys, it is super hot, and I haven't even mowed the lawn yet. So turning on the fan right now. Excuse me. Marvel is enjoying his beef bone, because Tanya told me he was like crying when I was out in the garage. So anyways, I really hope, actually we really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and thank you for all of you who have already been following us on Instagram, and they already knew about our new car.
Yeah.
But for rest of you, I hope you guys like the car. Let us know what else, if there's anything you want to know about the car or any feature or anything, I'll be more than happy to answer that in the comments or reach out to us on Instagram. Having said all that, there are 7 more days left for the gender reveal, like I said in the start of the vlog, and I am gonna put the link in the description box to play an online game that we have exclusively created for people who could not be with us on this great day. And also we are gonna be doing Instagram live. So once again, if you are not following us on Instagram, follow us on Instagram so you don't miss the live on the day of the gender reveal, which is July 12th. Yes, mark your calendars, July 12th, 6 p.m. EST, which is Eastern time in USA. So anyways, that is it. We are gonna have some food, have some lunch, and then after that I'm gonna do the lawn care, and then we'll see. So we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye.